International Kurukshetra 4.0 powered by Manappuram Finance Limited. Today we are in the second episode of qualifying levels of Kurukshetra 4.0. Let's see the winners of bonus question. Congratulations both of you. Now the winners of quiz 1. Congratulations all of you. Now let's start quiz 2 of qualifying levels of Kurukshetra 4.0. We have a very distinguished personality as our quiz master. Let's welcome Anish Nirmalan, Mentor, International Quizzing Association, Bahrain Chapter, Director of Senable Care, Bahrain. Over to you, sir.
Welcome to Kurukshetra 4, organized by Lions Club International in association with Manappuram Finance. This is a qualifying round of Kurukshetra 4. In this round, you will have a set of 5 questions along with a bonus question. What you have to do is very simple. You have to enter your names, your class name and your school name in the comment section below. After hearing all the questions, you have to send your answers to the number mentioned here along with your names, your school name and the class name. Don't forget to enter the names of both the participants. The first 3 teams who will be sending the maximum number of correct answers will be getting bonus points. So are you all ready to go for this exciting round of 6 questions? And here comes your first question. Here I'm going to talk about a British physicist. His works helped a lot in the development of zoom lenses, rod lens endoscopes and many other things. He, along with his North Indian colleague, worked together and achieved a very important feat in the field of physics in Imperial College, London. Who is this very famous North Indian colleague of this British physicist? Are you ready for your second question? This is your second question. This person and his sister are alumnus of Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Madras. In 2020, this person announced rural school startup to give free primary education. This person, along with his senior in IIT Madras, started a very famous company in which his sister owns the majority of shares right now. Which is this very famous company? Third question. You will be seeing some wonderful paintings right now on the screen. After the paintings, you will be seeing the portrait, the photo of that famous painter also. You have to identify the style of paintings mentioned here. Are you ready for your fourth question? This person received 30 medals in national championships. This person is the youngest to become the captain of a senior Indian national team at the age of 19. Which sport was this person playing? The fifth question. This very famous grandfather was a joint secretary in Government of India in 1960s. He was very famous for his extensive works in improving the lives of immigrants from East Pakistan. Later, this person was sent to Lusaka for helping the government, or you can say for advising the government to improve the conditions of South Rhodesian immigrants. His policy about democracy, liberty, and especially immigration became a big motivation for his very famous granddaughter. Identify this very famous granddaughter. So shall we wind up? Oh, no. We have a bonus question. And here comes your bonus question. I'm going to talk about an honorary member of New York City Lions Club. This person is the first female to achieve a very important feat. She wrote a lot of motivational books about her experiences. She started an organization for her women colleagues, or you can say for the women who are working in the same job of hers. And this organization has a number in it. You have to tell me the name of the organization. So you have all the questions, including the bonus question with you. What you have to do is send the correct answers immediately, and you have to send the answers before 10 a.m. tomorrow. Celebrate quizzing, stay positive, Q positive.